I have college fest today, and today is day 3 of my college event, and I'm going there. So get ready with me. I will show you everything on there.
Hello, hi guys, welcome to my very first vlog. So, let me tell you about the time when I wanted to start YouTube vlogging with zero confidence. But apparently, this year I am participating into the best college fest, stepping out of my comfort zone and taking you all along with me.
इधर हमको बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, इसलिए हम यहाँ फैन लेके बैठे। इन लोगों को पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि हमको फैन
आपको नेल्स कराना हो तो इस आईडी पे फॉलो कीजिए और इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए।
यस, और बिट्स भी करवाने हो तो इस लड़की को फॉलो कीजिए और फ़ोन कीजिए हमको, हम सब कुछ करके देंगे। आपका नंबर का नंबर आपका पूरा
2,000 years later.
मेरा नंबर नया बना देंगे। फॉलो
Our university has so many different major colleges and university के सारे students को ये wonderful opportunity मिलती है to take part at this grand event to showcase their beautiful art and skills. So basically on the other hand यहाँ पर एक super fun game zone है, लेकिन मैंने वो पार्ट इस वीडियो में ऐड नहीं किया है, अदरवाइज़ ये वीडियो बहुत ही लंबा हो जाता। Anyways, as you can see, ये है DIY clay pottery zone and honestly this is my absolute favorite part of the fest. It's seriously so therapeutic that जो भी यहाँ आता है gets obsessed with it. And yes, I'm totally one of them. And I just found out the cutest custom designs. यहाँ हमारी मर्जी से हम कुछ भी बनवा सकते हैं, like custom cups, pots, piggy banks and whatnot. There was also a drama which happened last year. तो सीन ऐसा था कि एक लड़की थी जो ये सब मैनेज कर रही थी और इतना सारा क्राउड बढ़ गया था कि वो लड़की मैनेज ही नहीं कर पाई और रोती हुई बाहर ही चली गई। मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारे क्रेजी कॉलेज ड्रामा स्टोरीज है, लेकिन मैं वो नए व्लॉग में शेयर करूँगी। If you want to know all those crazy stories about my college drama, then please comment down for part 2. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. These are art students और ये लाइव पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाते हैं। सो लास्ट ईयर मेरी मम्मी का बर्थडे आ रहा था और आई थॉट कि मैं मम्मी और पापा का स्केच बनवा के मम्मी को गिफ्ट करूँगी। लिटिल डिड आई नो, मुझे क्या पता था कि इन लोगों के साथ मेरा इतना बुरा एक्सपीरियंस होगा। मैं इतना पछताई हूँ कि बात ही मत पूछो।
और एक गाना रोल करी दे रोल रोल रोल
Hello everyone, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this vlog was supposed to be just a fun vlog, but then I thought why not share a really cool part of my journey with you guys about how I turned a random hobby into a sold out business just by investing 1000 rupees. I earned 35,000 rupees out of it at my college fest and still had the time of my life at this fest. So a few months back, I fell in love with handmade jewelry and started making handmade jewelry just for fun. And I made my first piece. As you can see, this is my very first piece. It turned out so pretty that I started wearing it daily with every single one of my outfits. Soon my friends noticed it and asked me where did I bought this bracelet from. It's so cute and all that. So I told them I made it myself and they were like, I also want one. That's when things started to get interesting. So one day one of my professors saw my jewelry and got to know all about it. So she suggested me why don't you take part and put up a stall at the college fest. So this made me realize this could be something more, right? So I invested 1000 rupees and got all the material that I needed and made like 160 pieces out of it by myself in a month. You won't even believe it, by 2 p.m. on the last day of the fest, I was completely sold out. And after counting all the cash and online payments, I was with 35,000 rupees. I mean, I couldn't even believe it myself that I earned that much money. I mean, just think about it. This is the necklace and this is the bracelet. These both are same. And I also have this in other colors, but this piece, this bracelet takes around 1 hour to be prepared, and this necklace takes 6 hours, more than 6 hours to be complete. Mostly 160 pieces were sold. Even my principal bought 2 of these bracelets from me. Not 2, but 3 I guess. 3 bracelets she bought from me. And the best part is, I'm still getting online orders even now. I mean, if you will stretch it, it won't break. It won't break. So yeah, something that started off as a little fun hobby turned into a proper business for me. And if you also want one of these, a website link is in my description. And if this video inspired you even a little bit, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog.